Before we jump into today's math problem, let's take a brief moment to relax and focus on our breathing and get the oxygen circulating through our body and to our brain. So sit up tall, plant your feet firmly on the ground. Your hands can be resting on your thighs, either palms facing up or palms facing down, and gently close your eyes. We're going to breathe. Take a deep inhale through your nose. And gently, slowly exhale also through your nose. On the next deep inhale through your nose, feel the breath filling your lungs. And slowly exhale through your nose. On the next deep inhale, send the breath to any parts of your body that may be feeling tight or tense. And as you exhale slowly through your nose, feel that tension release as your spine continues growing taller. Let's take one more breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and think about something you're grateful for, some blessing in your life at this moment. And at the top, hold your breath for a few seconds and exhale slowly through your nose, savoring that breath and feeling a greater sense of calm and relaxation and peace. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. This multiple choice problem comes from the College Board. It's from section 4 of the SAT test, which does allow calculators. And the problem says, a gear ratio R to S is the ratio of the number of teeth of two connected gears. The ratio of the number of revolutions per minute, RPM, of two gear wheels is S to R. In the diagram below, gear A is turned by a motor. The turning of gear A causes gears B and C to turn as well. If gear A is rotated by the motor at a rate of 100 RPM, what is the number of revolutions per minute for gear C? So have a look at this, see what you can do. It's okay if you're not sure how to approach it. You can even just take a guess. And in about a minute, we'll have a look at it together. When I get a problem that involves movement, I often like to make drawings so that I can visualize that movement. So gear A is being turned by a motor. Let's imagine that it's turning in this direction, the clockwise direction. That means that gear B would turn in this direction, the counterclockwise direction, and that gear C would turn in this direction, the clockwise direction. All right, so I see what's happening with the 3 gears turning. Now let's focus on gear A moving just a tiny bit, just enough so 1 additional tooth clicks into place. What would happen with gear B? Well, it too would move a small amount so that 1 additional tooth would click into place. And then in gear B, 1 additional tooth would click in place there. And what would happen with gear C? Well, gear C would turn just a bit, so 1 additional tooth would click in place there. So you may be wondering, why are we talking about that? Well, we just established that all 3 gears are going to turn so that 1 additional tooth on each gear clicks into place. So over time, all 3 gears are going to turn so that the same number of additional teeth click into place. Now let's use that important piece of information. If we think about 1 minute, let's look at gear A. Gear A in 1 minute is going to turn 100 revolutions, and it has 20 teeth. So in 1 minute, there will be 2,000 teeth that will be clicking in place. All right, now here's the key. We just said that all the gears are going to turn the same number of teeth clicks. So let's now think about gear C. If gear A is turning 2,000 teeth clicks in 1 minute, that means that gear C is going to turn 2,000 teeth clicks in 1 minute. And it has 10 teeth, so if we divide by 10 teeth per revolution, we'll get a total of 200 revolutions in that 1 minute. And what do you know? The 200 RPMs is offered as answer C, which is the correct answer. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this strategy, that by focusing on the physical objects, we can visualize important, simple information. In this case, it was about the 3 gears having the same number of teeth clicking in place. Notice that all we had to do was simple multiplication and division. We didn't need to use any algebra or any complicated computations. We didn't even need to use this information about a ratio of R to S or a ratio of S to R. I hope you enjoyed seeing this strategy. If you have any questions or any suggestions or requests, please leave them as comments below. I always love hearing your guys' thoughts. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll be notified of new videos as they're posted. And I enjoyed working together. I look forward to seeing you next time.